Welcome back, guys, to part 4 of the Ranger 363 restoration. Today we're going to be tackling getting the boat off the trailer and the motor off the boat. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's the finished boat stand. This is what we're going to use to hold the back of the boat up off of the trailer. We've got the motor stand finished. You can get these plans online, and now my buddy Ike is over here helping me take this Yamaha off of this Ranger. We had such a hard time getting this motor onto the motor stand because our stand was too wide to fit in between the feet of our engine hoist, and we didn't have the arm out far enough. So we had to put the motor down on the skeg and then pull the arm out so that it was far enough out to reach the stand. So now what we're going to do, now that we got the motor off, is we're going to get the boat off the trailer. So we're starting by lowering the nose of the boat down to raise the back of the boat up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide in our boat stand and then raise the nose of the boat back up so that the boat is resting on the stands, as you can see here. Now that we got the boat pretty much completely off the trailer, we cannot move the trailer any farther forward because our engine hoist is in the way. So what we have to do is we have to rest the boat on this jack stand, then move the engine hoist behind the wheels of the trailer, and then raise the boat back up, move the jack stand, roll the trailer out of the way, then rest the boat back down on the jack stand, and the boat will be free of the trailer, as you're about to see. Well, there we go. I have a boat sitting in my garage that's not on a trailer. How cool is that? So it's being held up by the jack stand up front and that pump jack, which is just there's a backup, and then the stand in the back that we built. This thing is extremely sturdy, as you're about to see. My buddy Ike gives it a good old push. It's not going to fall over, and we're safe and ready to start working on the trailer. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check back next week for part 4 of the series where we get to work on the trailer. Thank you guys for watching.